What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. I do budget videos, lifestyle content, groceries, hauls, makeup, you name it, I do it. But in this video, we are doing a cash stuffing video. And so I have all my cash and my breakdowns. And so let's get started. So first, I just want to give a huge shout out to Renee's Budget. Actually, hold on, that's not her name. It's Renee Monet's Budget. And she made these laminated cash breakdown cards. I love that it's in this silver foil, which is really cute. And then she also has these bank deposits and bank withdrawals. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It's kind of glaring there, sorry. But this one says bank withdrawals, and then this one says bank deposits. And I love them so much. It was such a great idea, and I'm so glad that I purchased these. So shout out to Renee Monet. I'm probably saying that wrong. I will actually put her information on the screen because I think I'm saying that completely wrong. So I do apologize, but these are so cute. And she makes these customized so you can get different foils. And I think she even sells envelopes on her site, on her Etsy site as well. So I'll definitely leave that on the screen and in the info down below. So, but yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our cash stuffing. So here is our cash breakdown. So in this video, we're going to be stuffing $1,084. I have my denominations all done. Only thing we're not gonna stuff is groceries because I already went grocery shopping before this video. Actually, I did today, which is today is the 6th. Today's the 6th. And I already went grocery shopping, but this is actually the leftover from my groceries, which is actually, let's see how much I actually have left over. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's $29, and I think I had some change, which I put in my little change pouch here. But for some reason, I felt like I budgeted wrong, and I may need to still go back to the store to get a few things, but just to know that I saved $29 doing groceries is pretty freaking amazing. So. But I'm gonna leave this in here for now. And so for our other envelopes, for household, I had a few dollars that were left over. Let's see, in household, we have $1, $2, $3 left over. So I'm just gonna stick these here. And in beauty, I just subbed these out. I had ones in this folder, but I decided to swap it out for an actual solid $5 bill. But that was left over, so I'm just gonna leave that here. My boyfriend, he has $20 left over for his envelope. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there for now. We used all for gas. I didn't stuff anything for myself. My son, he doesn't have anything in his. Spending is done, and so is fun. So, but I'm very proud because I was able to save $8. So, or $8, $13. So I was able to save $13. So that is pretty cool on my behalf. So I'm happy about that. So we're gonna go ahead and break up. Actually, let me move that here. We're gonna actually move these way back here onto this tray so don't confuse anything. And then let's go ahead and get our money. So everything is good here. So we have all of our hundreds, which are gonna go in the back right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me move that here. Okay. Our hundreds, and then I have a $50 bill. And then we got 20s. I have OCD so a little bit, so I feel like when they're not facing a certain direction, it kind of drives me nuts. There we go. And then we have 10s. And we have 5s. These go this way. This one goes this way. Fives, and then our ones. Okay. So the first thing that we are going to start with, since groceries is done and over with, I don't have to worry about this, so I'm just going to leave that to the side here. And now that we have all of our denominations good to go, okay. So let's start with our regular envelopes. So we're going to start with gas. So for gas, we're allotting $30, and that's going to get a 20 and a 10. So a 20 and a 10. As soon as I can get these in here. Okay, so that is good to go. And then we're going to do my son, which is Taj, and he is going to get a $20 bill. Get in there. Okay, and then what's next? We can do Beauty, which is next. And Beauty is going to just get a $5 bill, which I kind of just don't really need right now. Everything as far as beauty, makeup, skincare, it's all, we're good. Let's see, spending money would be the next one on my list here. So spending is going to get 30, and that's going to be a 20 and a 10. So 120 and 110. And then car maintenance is in my other binder, so I will get to that one in just a sec. But next is my boyfriend, and he is getting a $20 bill as well. It is actually upside down. What is happening? There we go. $20 bill there. And then we have clothes, which is also in another binder, which is actually in one of these. So we will add that next. Let's see, we have household. And household is going to get a $50 bill. Sorry about the noise there. Okay, so household is going to get the $50 bill, and then medical, that's in another binder. So we will get back to that here in a sec. Fun, now fun is going to get $20, and it's going to be a $20 bill as well. Okay, so that is it for my actual cash envelopes. I'm not stuffing my envelope because I just don't need to right now. So these will go in my wallet here. Hey, what is this receipt? Oh, for a restaurant. And that is in my wallet like that. Okay. So next we're going to be moving into my sinking funds. And candle lid to hold this here. Okay. So we're gonna start with car note, or well, this one says car pay. I don't know why it says it like this, but whatever. So for car note, we allotted 320, and that's gonna be $300 bills and a 20. So we have 1, 2, 320. I feel like I'm always fighting my envelopes. I really do feel like I'm fighting my envelopes all the time. And so our next one is my son's college fund, and he is going to get a $100 bill as well. And then some of these I have bill trackers. I need to get more, but I'm gonna create my own. I have cardstock, and I'll make up my own, and I'll be able to update these budget lists a little later. So actually, he actually has $200. Let me be sure. yeah, he has $200 in his college fund. And then for emergency, we allotted $20, and that is going to get 4 5s. So 1, 2, 3. Am I missing a 5? Wait, what? Yeah, I'm missing a 5. Hold up. I'm just gonna take that 5 from my rollover, and I'll have to figure out exactly what I did wrong. But so far in emergency, now we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 in emergency. And then the next one is business. Now business is going to get 30. Yes, business is going to get 30 as well, and that's going to be a 20. No, it's actually going to be 3 10s, sorry. So 1, 2, 3. So business now has 20, 30, 40, 50, $60 in business. And then medical. Medical is going to get a total of $20 as well, and that's going to be a $20 bill. Now that's 20 and 40. And so I decided to create a dental fund because my son and I have cleanings coming up towards the beginning of the year. We both have braces, but thank God our braces are paid off. So we just have some cleanings coming up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start stuffing that. So by the time it is time for our cleanings, we have cash for it instead of just digging into the medical one. So for dental, as of right now, we're only stuffing $10. And it's going to get a $10 bill. Next is vision, and I need to actually do that because me and my son both wear glasses, and I also need to get some new contacts. So for vision, it is going to get 15, and it's going to get a 10 and a 5. I sure the heck did mess up on my 5s, and I don't know what I did, but we are going to figure that out later. So we have a 10 and a 5. 10 and 5, yep. I'm glad I'm showing you guys this because, I mean, not everybody's perfect with their calculations, so, but that's okay. I have the extra money sitting over there, so I'll figure it out once I get off this video and probably give you guys an update in the next video on what the heck went wrong. But so anyways, vision has 20, 30, 35. And so now we have Christmas, and Christmas is going to get a $100 bill. So now we're doing Christmas, $100 bill. So Christmas now has a total of $200. And the last one for this binder, I believe that we're stuffing is holiday, which is going to get $30. And holiday is going to get a 20 and a 10. Now holiday has 20, 40, 50. We're not stuffing home savings right now. So that's it for that binder. For this binder, so in this binder we have clothes as in this bundle, and for clothes it is going to get where is it? I believe clothes is getting 30. Yeah, it's a 20 and a 10. Clothes is getting 20 and a 10. And so right now, clothes has a total of 20, 40, 50, 60. Back to school, we're not stuffing. B-days, we're not stuffing. Vacation, we're not stuffing. Costco's not being stuffed. Hair is not being stuffed. My hair fund is not being stuffed this time. Fun, I actually have this in my envelope, but this is going to go towards vacation for like fun money. So that will be different. Nails, my sister does my nails, but every once in a while I'll chip in to pay her something. And then these are some of the ones that I want, like this is my spa days. There's a luxury bag I want, and I'm really into getting LASIK. So those will get funded some other way somehow. So, okay, so I figured out what was wrong. The bank teller gave me a 20 instead of breaking it down into 5s and 10s. So I swapped out the 10s out of clothes to give me some 10s. Then I'm going to take this 10 and swap out any 5s that I have in here. Actually, emergency has 5s in here, so I'll take out 2 of these. And put this in here. Okay, so now I have 20 broken up the way it needs to be. So next time, lessons learned, check, count it before I leave the parking lot. Okay, so car fund actually just needed a $10 bill. Which is, where is it? Yeah, car maintenance is just needs a 10. So I'm gonna put that in here.
Okay, I'll figure it out. I'm awesome.
Okay, and so all this here is not being stuffed. So this binder is complete. Let's see, and I think that was it. I just need to double check to make sure Vision had what it needed, which was in the back, I believe. Dental and Vision had 15, and then Dental had 10. Medical was another 20, right? Business had 30, which should have 60 now. Yep, okay, that was right. Okay, so I figured it out. These two $10 bills are actually not part of this, but I'm gonna go through it again just to be sure. But lessons learned, count all your money, make sure all your denominations are right before you leave the parking lot, and go from there. So, but I think what I'm gonna do for my rollover is do a 1s and 5 challenge. So at the end of the year, you count up all your 1s and all your 5s, and you can use that towards a savings or something that you want, or however you feel. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to probably just take all of this. I'm going to create some envelopes and put those towards that challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause I love you.